Okay, so I'm just leaving the apartment tour from 1414 Texas downtown. Ooh, it smells good in here. Like laundry. Kitchen.
So this is going to be the cool color tone that's going to be on all of our even number floors. So you get the lightest salmon colored floor. Slate gray quartz countertop, the chevron tile backsplash. All the appliances are going to be the same throughout.
This is really, really nice. I love this. There's, okay. Do any, like some apartments, well, probably not any of these, but have like a storage space?
So no, none of the units have an outdoor storage.
Is there like a bike rack?
There is.
Okay.
We have a bike room in the parking garage.
Oh, okay, okay. Is this a closet?
That's here an AC.
Okay,
And then you've
AC.
got a closet there.
Oh, this is nice.
Your full-size washer and dryer. So that's
This is included? I love this.
Love these high ceilings on. This is exclusive to the top floor A7.
Okay. What? This is the one bedroom one, right?
Correct.
Okay. This is a good size.
High ceilings continue on into the bedroom. Still big ceiling.
Yes.
What?
Yes. This is so nice. This would be my favorite. Look at this. Oh my God. This is my favorite part of the house. The closet. Oh. Same kind of kitchen. I didn't look in the fridge in the last one. Oh, lots of space.
Got your ice and water dispenser. Plenty of cabinet space.
Yes. So this is a gas,
Yes.
and so we would have a gas bill. Okay.
So the big one's definitely the more like roommate style floor plan. Everything's pretty symmetrical down the middle.
Okay.
So that's why I have a little bit smaller of a living room space, so you can have more equal sized bedrooms.
Okay. And this would be
This
the
would be
laundry.
technically the guest side. So that's your laundry.
Oh, is the closet this way? Oh, so it's two bathrooms and they look the same?
They look pretty identical. So on this side, you're gonna get the tub shower combo.
This is huge for a guest. Like, what? Oh my gosh.
And then the master side is gonna have the standing shower.
Okay. Okay, so that's my big closet.
So you're just gonna have a shower on this
Yes,
side.
I like that it has both. I can take a shower, I can take a bath. I like that. And the other one only had one bathroom, right?
Correct.
Okay. It only had one bathroom. This, I can have that whole other bathroom.
I love that both sides come with the dual vanities, so you don't
Yeah.
have space for everything.
And this, remind me one more time of the price.
$22.91.
$22.91. And the other one was 19, what did I say? 1909. This is AC.
Pantry.
Pantry.
Closet.
This one looks a little bit wider than the other one was
Yeah,
narrow.
it is a little bit wider.
Okay. Wow. This is beautiful. I want to live here. So like, what's the coldest month here?
The coldest month here? Probably January.
January, and like when you say cold, what do you?
I mean like 60 degrees.
Oh, that's good. I'm so. This is very nice. Oh my, I didn't even see this.
Yeah, we got the outdoor kitchen space. The grills are all gas fed through the building, so you don't have to worry about bringing propane tanks or anything.
And are you able to use that right now?
Yes, we are. So it's
Just not the seating space?
So you can still use the seating space
Oh,
as well. The guys just came up and cleaned it up this morning.
This is very, very nice.
Yeah, so the pool deck is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So you can come out here and if you have a quick dinner.
Okay. I love it.
And the B10s are actually this stack right here.
Okay.
So the one right here on the deck, that's going to be unit number 540.
Okay.
When we get back down to the office,
That's the one that's coming available.
correct.
Oh, this one would be ours. Okay. Ooh, so pretty. I would love this view. This is like the closest to a traffic view you can get if you're not in the traffic.
Right in the middle of downtown.
Right. Oh, I love it.
Our outdoor living space.
Oh, but it's still cool in here.
Bar stop here. And the cabana.
Oh my God.
They got these comfy couches. This is the best place to watch the game.
Yes, this is so nice. This is like every part of the outdoor space and like amenity spaces is Instagram worthy. This is so nice. And it's just like first come, first serve. And is it a maximum capacity that this has to be?
Yes, the maximum capacity is, I want to say 15 versus 9. I think it's 15.
Oh.